Hello everybody, today we'll look into how to use interdental brushes, how to do interdental brushing. Okay, now there are various interdental brushes available. Today we'll take a demo of Tepi interdental brushes. Now these are available in Amazon. Okay, there is a Thermoseal NS, a blue one, and Thermoseal wide space one, that is of yellow. You can buy that too. That comes in 6 pieces in a packet, so you can buy that also. Now these Tepi interdental brushes, now these come in different colors according to the sizes. These are the sizes mentioned. Now according to the sizes, it comes in different color. When I say sizes, it means the size of the this interdental space. Okay, so whatever size of interdental spaces you have, you can use those. Okay, now how to do interdental brushing. Hold the interdental brush, the handle of it, between your thumb and the index finger, like that. Curl your middle finger inside and take the help of your ring finger and the fourth finger for resting. Now, for example, this is your upper jaw. Okay, now if I have to clean these two, in between these two teeth, what I do is I take a rest over here and then I insert it. If this easily go inside, then I can use this. That means this fits perfectly and it can clean my interdental spaces. Okay, now what I do is I take the help of my ring finger and the little finger, take the rest over here, and I do in and out 10 times, like that. Okay, slide over and do in and out 10 times. Now if this is not going inside, you don't have to push it hard. If this is not going, try with the sizes which are smaller than this. Now this purple one is usually a large size, and this is of 1.1 size 6. So usually people don't have these big sizes, these big interdental space size, so they go with usually yellow or green color. So right now I'm just showing you the demo for this, how to do it. So this way you clean in and out 10 times. This is how it is. If you just see, in and out 10 times, then you go in and out 10 times, like that. Now for example, if it's not going over here, see, if it's not going over here, I don't have to push hard. What I do is I just change the color and I use it, and if it easily go inside, then I can clean it 10 times. Okay, like that. Now if this is your lower jaw, so in the lower you start from the center part, you clean over here and then you move to the right or left, whatever is your choice. Okay, now in between clean 10 times every. Now what happens is, if you clean the interdental spaces, if this space is not clean and food is over there for many days, then the food will get rotten and it will start eating your teeth over here, and then you will have hidden cavities inside. Now those cavities are very hard to fill. That can lead to a big cavity inside. Okay, and that will require a root canal or maybe extraction of this tooth. So it's always better to start using these interdental brushes or toothpick or flossing, because you have to clean these areas. These are a natural spaces that is available in your teeth, and that has to be clean. Okay, the front surface and the back surface you can easily clean with your brushing, but you can't clean these spaces, these spaces which is in between them, with your normal brush. Now for that you need to use floss, interdental brush or toothpicks. Okay, this is how you do interdental brushes. So start today, because if you are not starting today, then it's a time that you are loosening your tooth early. Cheers.